Today we're going to do our 2G pipe open root using gas metal arc welding position. This is a mock-up of the pipes. So the pipe is going vertical, your weld is going horizontal kind of, but circular. We're going to you have to have at least 3 tacks on this to keep it from breaking. So what we're going to do is we're going to grind our tacks out, make them as thin as possible so we can make sure that we get full penetration in this. Our gap is going to be around 3/32 of an inch. Our wire is an old 35 diameter ER70S-6 with a 75-25 argon CO2 mix, and we'll run that at around 30 cubic feet per hour. The root pass here is 1 pass. If you can't get enough penetration, you want to stay in front of the puddle so it kind of pushes it down in. If you're getting too much penetration or you're getting a big keyhole, you want to kind of stay in the back of the puddle and just let the pressure stay in the back and kind of wash it forward. Covers, we're going to do 2 passes. The first one's going to be on the bottom, the second one's going to be on the top. It's just like the horizontal plate weld. You want to kind of shelf it up. It's if you look in a book, it's going to tell you to do a J weld. I do kind of like a mix between a J weld and a C. I still hold it on the top and wash it down like you would with the J weld, but it's a little bit of a mix between the two. The other thing you're going to want to do on the cover pass is turn down your wire feed speed and voltage, give you a lot more control over the puddle. It makes it look real nice. If I was going to bend this, I would actually want to turn it up a little bit more because I want to make sure I get a full penetration. But it'll help you pass a VT if you turn it down a little bit. Technically, you're supposed to have a purge in the inside of the pipe. We're not going to do that just because it takes a long time. You should have a 75-25 mix in the middle of the pipe so it doesn't get a lot of contamination. But we're just going to do what we got. Hopefully it gets enough coverage from the front side. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We'll see what happens and we'll just reflect on that after we're done. So we'll go out in the lab and we'll burn this thing in. This is our settings for the root pass we're going to do on our 2G pipe weld here with MIG. 17.4 volts, 230 inches per minute. When we go to our covers, we're going to lower it down a little bit so we have a little bit more control. We're going to take it down to 15.8, 120, 120 inches per minute. That's quite low, but it gives you a lot of control. Alright, this is the cover. First pipe we did, I just stuck it in a lathe so I can spin it evenly here. Came out pretty good. I'll show you the cover on the second one here now. This is our second pipe that we did in the 2G open root position. Put it on the lathe here again. We'll just spin that around. Came out good. What we'll do now is we'll try and get light on the roots here, and I'll spin it in the lathe again. We can take a look at the final roots here. Alright, this is the root pass for the first pipe we did here. It's not bad. There was a couple spots, I think right, where the heck did it go? Right there, there's a tiny little bit of lack of fusion. Of course, it's at attack, but not bad for not having a shielding gas on the inside of the pipe here. So now we'll take a look at the second pipe root. This is the second pipe's root. Came out okay. There was one little tiny pinhole, and I think that was just caused by not having that shielding gas on the inside. So our next position for MIG is going to be a 5G open root. Thanks for watching and subscribing to TV Welding.